Capture measurement is used to acquire measurements for different tests. Before opening Capture Measurement, you have to select a project, a visit, a subject, and a test. To run the Capture Measurement, click on the Start button. First, you have to make a zero offset for the plate. Be sure that the plate is unloaded during the zero offset process. In case the subject's weight is older than 2 hours, you have to weigh the subject to enter it into the capture measurement. Make sure that the subject is standing still on the plate during the weighing process. At the top of the window, the currently loaded test and basic instructions on how to proceed are shown. This panel contains the controls for managing the capture measurement window. The first two buttons are used to switch between the signals and COP. In case you have to perform the new zero offset, click on the Zero Offset. To start the test, click on the Start button. The Select Subject button will show you the subjects that are assigned to the current visit. To load a different test, you can select it by clicking on the Select Test button, where a list of all available tests is shown. By clicking on the Test Instructions button, you get detailed descriptions on how to perform the currently selected test. Before Test Instructions contains the video and instructions that describe different phases of the test and information on how to correctly execute the test. Test Device will show you all the raw signals for the selected device from all plates. This utility is used to check if all signals are correct. If you want to change the range of the plate, you can change it by clicking on the Set Plate Range button. On the left selected subject, the project and visit names are shown. Here, you can set input parameters that define a test. After you check to make sure that the right test and subject are selected, the input parameters are set correctly, and the subject is in the required initial position, you can start the test by clicking on the Start button or, alternatively, space on the keyboard. When the test is complete, select Confirm, Reject, or Repeat the measurement.